Hello everyone, so today is the big day. I'm revealing all of my birthday goodies. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Caleb and on here you're going to find a lot of things like luxury shopping, reveals, reviews, unboxings, luxury travel, daily vlogs, pretty much anything that has to do with life and style, you're gonna find right here in this channel. So before we go any further, I know you're dying to see what I got for my birthday, but before we get there, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up, say hi down in the comments, find me over on Instagram, caleb.snell.designer. We really need to work on that script, don't we? I'm very tired of saying it. Anyway, so you're probably wondering to yourselves like, ooh, Caleb, what's this moment on your face? I'm like, glad you noticed. Thank you. Love that about you. These are my new shades. They're very expensive. I'm just kidding. I got these at Target for $12 and they passed the vibe check in my opinion. And it's kind of a look, so I just wanted to debut my new, I think they're called Wild Fable sunglasses from Target. Woo, the luxury, it's overwhelming. Okay, so now that we have that out of the way, those are super cute though, by the way. Target, pick them up. What did I get for my birthday this year? Well, Zane got me quite a bit. I bought myself a few things. I didn't go crazy this year, in theory. So yeah, we're gonna dive in, we're gonna take a look at it. If you haven't watched my birthday vlog yet, it was a really fun weekend. There was some luxury shopping, art museum, a corn maze, a messed up birthday cake, a whole bunch of fun. So link will be down in the description, so make sure to check that out if you haven't yet. That'll help put some of this into context. Let's get started. So I'm gonna break this up into two categories. I'm gonna show you guys what I bought myself first, because we love a me moment. And I'm gonna show you guys what Zane got me, and he did pretty good this year, I'm not gonna lie. He usually does pretty good, but this year he knocked it out of the park. He found a few things I was really looking for, and I'm super jazzed to finally have them. All right, so what did Caleb buy himself this year? I'm glad you asked, love that about you, stay curious. First and foremost, let's kick it off with a little Coach. So I recently revealed this in a short, and it is so stinking cute. Those of you who know that I love luxury, but I also love Coach, and the denim collection was no exception. I absolutely fell head over heels for this collection. I'm still like trying to talk myself out of buying the swinger bag or the field tote because they're both on sale right now on Coach's website. Anyway, I have the soft tabby in denim. That's probably enough denim bags. Zane's not saying no, so maybe I should order one. So this was originally out the same time my soft tabby was. And for those of you who remember, when I revealed my soft tabby, I had mine first. They weren't released in stores yet. They brought it out of the back. They're like, well, we're technically not supposed to show this until next week. We bought it then and there. Zane bought it for me as a nice little surprise gift. And I thought about getting the wallet at the time. Zane was like, do you really need the wallet? And like, we all know I need the wallet. But I was like, okay, you're right. And eventually I went back, I bought the wristlet for the bag. And then when this was on sale, the website said one left. I'm like, oh, it's a sign. You know me, I love my signs. It's a sign, just buy the stupid wallet. So I did. This is the Denim Signature Tabby wallet. And I love this because it has the same brass C motif as the Tabby bag does, which is kind of a cute vibe. And then when it opens up, it just has 10 card slots. There's actually several compartments back here behind the slots. Full bill compartment here on the back of the wallet. And even though I don't use cash or coins, a huge zippered compartment back in the back, which, I mean, you could probably put like maybe your ear pods or something in there. I don't know. Do you? It's your wallet. Well, it's my wallet, but if you buy one, do you? And yeah, super cute. I think this was on sale for like 136. So I bought it. That is what we're kicking off my birthday haul with. And next up, okay, you guys know I have a problem with vintage Dooney Bourke, particularly the It collection. So I bought another cosmetics bag. I have it in white. I love it in the white. I had to have the black. This one is actually in tip-top shape. There is very minimal fogging. The vachetta though is like abnormally dark here on the tab, which is kind of a bummer. You know, I like my light vachetta, but the interior is spotless. So this is super cute. It's a little bit smaller than the Posh Toilette 15 from Louis Vuitton. It's also a little bit tighter, so it doesn't have as much give as the Louis Vuitton canvas does. But I mean, hello, it's the It collection. It's a vibe. It's giving me 2000s It girl status. I love it. And don't tell Zane, I mean, he's right there, so he's gonna hear, but I put an offer in on another It. SLG, he's shaking his head at me. I have a problem, you guys. This It collection, it's terrible. It falls apart really bad. It fogs, it yellows. It's a terrible collection, but for some reason I'm like stuck to it and I absolutely love it. I have a special announcement. Shanae, hi Shanae if you're watching, she was super kind and sent in a couple of Dooney Bourke It pieces. So here in the next couple of months, I'm planning an episode where we're gonna like work on getting the yellowing out of the Graphica coated canvas. It's a polyvinyl, so I just need to figure out, like, I think the creams that the guys use on like the shoe soles, if any of you guys are like into like sneaker talk or whatever, they use this cream and it really helps get like the yellowing out of plastic or on like the white outer sole. Also, there's like this whole like LED method where you like dunk it in an acid or something and put LED lights over it. And we're gonna try a few things. I'm super excited, but this is in my collection now. As I said, I didn't go very crazy this year. You know, I just bought myself a few things because, you know, it's good to have kind of like a mindful approach to shopping. So I just wanted to keep my birthday very minimal this year. So aside from my Coach wallet, my Dooney Bourke cosmetics case, I also bought myself an Hermès Kelly. So minimal of me, I know. I'm like basically, you know, rewriting the book on minimalism. Anyway, I bought it in October, like midway through, so it's technically gonna count for my birthday. I mean, hello, it's an Hermès Kelly, should count for my birthday. And I just wanted to get it out again. I've only carried it once to lunch and shopping. I absolutely love this bag. I still take it out of the dust bag and I'm just like, wow, that's mine. I love every minute of it. We have my Hermès Kelly, my Coach denim signature tabby wallet, and my Dooney Bourke cosmetics bag. Kind of a vibe, right? I'm here for it. Now that we have this stuff out of the way, thank you, Kelly. You can go back in your dust bag. Let's take a look at what Zane got me this year. He got me some really cute stuff minus the cake. I said what I said. He's shaking his head in agreement, which we still have a little bit left. So after I'm done filming, I would like a piece of ice cream cake. He's also shaking his head in agreement. I love that. Let's dive in. Let's start out with the most important and most crucial gift, and that is the Dynasty Complete DVD package. I am so freaking excited to have this in my collection. Those of you who know me know that I'm a huge Dynasty fan. I mean, hello, Crystal Carrington. I did not know that they had the complete series on DVD. I knew they had seasons 1 through like 4 on DVD because I have it and I've watched it many times. And Amazon Prime used to have all the seasons on there, and then they took them off and now you have to like pay 20 bucks a season. I'm sorry, Mr. Spelling, but I'm not paying $20 a season to watch a show from 30 years ago. I'm not gonna do it. But Zane was kind enough to source out and find the complete series DVD set, seasons 1 through 9, and I am so freaking excited. I do have a complaint though. They could have used the original Fallon on the packaging. I said what I said, don't hate me, but I am jazzed. I finally have the complete series. We're gonna get into this. This is probably what I'm gonna be watching all winter. I said what I said, it's facts. Now, next up, if you're new to my channel, if you're old to my channel, then you know every time I do a bag review, I complain about my old crusty Bose headphones. It is a fact of life. I've had the same headset since college. That's a lot of workouts, that's a lot of international trips. They have gotten a lot of use and it shows. They were never particularly great quality to begin with, in my opinion, but they really show their age now at this point. They're like, what, 10 years old? Probably. I've had them for a minute. So Zane finally got me new headphones. After years of complaining, it finally paid off. He was able to pick up the Bang & Olufsen EQ active noise canceling earphones, and I love them. So when we were in Germany in 2019, right before the pandemic, they had Bang & Olufsen showroom, I think in Nuremberg, maybe? And I fell in love with everything. Like, I've always wanted that like space age, you know, that crazy telephone, which, I mean, it's 2022, so it's not like I'm gonna have a landline anytime soon. I've always wanted something from Bang & Olufsen. They make beautiful products, well-designed, luxurious materials and craftsmanship. These earphones do not disappoint. So they're super cute. They come with 20 hours of playtime with the wireless charging case, and they have active noise cancellation, passive noise, so you can like double tap like Ahura and then like be able to talk to people through the microphone. It's weird. I haven't quite figured it out yet, but they're super fun. I love this, I think it was called Sand, the color. Love the color of the case. And when you pop them in, like they're really low profile, like they don't really like stick out or, you know, they're not hideous, right? Like the Bose headphones. They do make me nervous though to use for working out just because there's not like a band behind the head. Like when you're bouncing on the elliptical, like I'm afraid they're gonna pop out and scratch, but that's what the Bose pair is for. They still work, unfortunately. So we're just gonna use those when I'm working out, but these when I'm bebopping about in the city, I guess. That sounded really lame, but I said what I said. You also have to have a charging pad, right? So Zane found this super cute, he didn't find it. It was on Bang & Olufsen's website. Probably recommended, but I think this was free with purchase. Yeah, I think it was originally $120, and this is the charging pad. It's in a very similar color leather on top. It's very similar to Togo. It has a very, I'm just kidding. I mean, it does feel pretty nice, but I'm sure it's not Togo leather. But it is absolutely stunning. And what I love about Bang & Olufsen products is that they really kind of approach electronics to not only enhance your life, but look good in your home. And I think a lot of electronics companies don't really take that approach. And an electronic sitting in the middle of a room can really make or break or ruin it. Bang & Olufsen products, though, they are spot on. I absolutely love that. Anyway, this will also work with your iPhone, which is great. So if you're traveling, you don't have to take a whole bunch of charging discs. You can just take the one nice one, slip it into your carry-on, and away you go. So super cute. Another thing that you probably know about me, I mean, if you don't, I'm about to tell you, but I love video games, and I grew up playing computer games. Myst, Riven, you name it. I was never able to finish Myst because I think my copy had a bug in it. For those of you who have played Myst, or if you remember the very final puzzle on the rocket ship at the end where you're about to go like to the last land or something, mine wouldn't work. I would hit the keys in the right notes, I would do everything right, my rocket ship wouldn't move. So I was never able to finish Myst, which really ticked me off as a child. So this is Riven, which I think was the next game after Myst. You're on an island and there's strange devices and whatnot, and it was a fun game. I don't really think I played it very much. I really only remember the first world, so I'm gonna have to get back into this. And I think I have the game, right? Yeah, Zane got me the game. So I now have the strategy guide for it, which with Myst and Riven, you have to have a strategy guide. I just remembered back in the day, you would have to like play the game, save it, close out, pull up Internet Explorer, dial up connection, print out the pages you need, go back in the game. It was the whole thing. So having an actual guide will make it so much easier. Now, it wouldn't be a Caleb Snell birthday without a new bag. Yes, I got an Hermès Kelly, fine. But Zane got me another really cute bag, and it was from the Telfar drop. I already knew about this one because when he thought he wasn't gonna be able to get it, he did tell me what it was. So I knew it was coming, and they took forever to ship it. Like I got my highlighter green like the week after the sale went live, and you know that story. His didn't arrive until like what, this week I think? Last week, like right before my birthday. Like it came just in time for me to open it for my birthday. And this color may or may not surprise you. I don't know. You do you. So it was between this color or the highlighter green, and I have both now, which I'm super jazzed about. But this is the silver. It's giving me Y2K vibes. It's giving TBE energy. It is everything. So I love that this one can go crossbody. It's big enough to, I think, maybe fit a phone. I don't know. As you can tell, I haven't carried it yet. It's still all done up, but it is so stinking cute. I saw this color on Jessie Styles' channel, and I absolutely loved it. She has a Murakami, I think, charm on the front, which is a total vibe. And once I saw this color and how well it wore, I'm like, you know what? I don't really have any metallics in my collection. I have that stinky gold Coach clutch that I've never worn, but I don't have any good metallics. So it is nice to finally have like a silvery space age metallic. And yes, I'm going to be doing a review comparison between the medium and the small, just to like see what they fit, how they wear. I'm kind of excited that this one can go crossbody. I mean, I'm 6'7", so it may not go crossbody on me, but I'm excited to see, kind of how this fits, how it wears, and what all you can put in there. And yeah, it's a vibe, right? With my new sunglasses, maybe? Could be a look. All right, guys, so I have saved the best for last. This is the pinnacle birthday item. This is my favorite thing I got this year, and it is a sweatshirt from Etsy. So a little backstory, I absolutely love sheet ghosts. I think they're so freaking cute. Nothing makes me smile more than like a cute little picture of a ghost. I said what I said. I actually have a Pinterest board dedicated to just cute little ghosts, is I think it was what I've titled it. Anyway, so about a month ago, back in September, I sent Zane a DM on Instagram. There was like an artist that showed up on my, explore page. Is that what we're still calling it on Insta? I don't know. Insta's kind of dead. But find me on Instagram, caleb.snell.designer. Anyway, so I sent Zane this image because it was so stinking cute. And this artist had a whole page and like, of course, an Etsy page. And without being prompted, he picked up a really cute sweatshirt, and I am so excited. So this was just from Etsy, like I said, and how stinking cute is that? It is just a little melancholy ghost in the forest with an umbrella. I think that's so cute. And he got it in a XXL, so it's gonna be super cozy. And I'm just excited to wear this out, my little ghost sweatshirt. And yeah, I'm gonna wear it in November, because I can. Ghosts aren't just, around for 1 month out of the year. Ghosts are around all the time. And now I've got a cute sweatshirt with one on it. That was my birthday haul. What did we think? We did everything from old Dooney Bourke to Bang & Olufsen, to Telfar, to Etsy, and to Hermès. A little bit of everything here. I love that. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for everyone with all the birthday wishes and everything. That was super sweet of you guys. I'm really excited. I have a lot of good content planned out over the next actually 2.5 months. I sat down and I worked out my calendar, so there's gonna be a lot of good stuff coming, but if there's anything specific you wanna see, let me know down in the comments. I had a request already to do some men's bags. That's coming. I mean, hello, we're almost on year 2. So this is a channel that talks about bags. I'm a man and we've never talked about man bags. What gives? So that is coming, that is down the pipeline. I think that's coming up in about 2 or 3 weeks. Lots of good content, but like I said, drop any requests down below in the comment section. Let me know what was your favorite thing that I got this year for my birthday. Mine might be the Sheet Ghosts or the Dynasty, I don't know. I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend. So until Wednesday, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you guys then. All right, bye-bye.